I'm Michelle from Legal Suite, and in this webinar we are going to have a look at capturing a matter for the opening of a sectional title register. Now please note that I am using predefined defaults which I've used with the snapshot feature, and if you need some assistance on this, please have a look at our webinar on how to do so. Please also note that I'm using pre-captured parties, and again, if you need some assistance with this, please have a look at our webinar on how to capture parties in the address book. Right, so from my matter screen, I will click on the insert button, and the inserting a matter screen will open as follows. Now, these are the various defaults that have already been popped in for me, and all I need to do here is come and insert my client. So I click on the ellipse button, it will take me into the address book, and I am going to use my already captured client, ABC Builders. So I highlight the party, click on the select button, and the program will then bring in the client and assign a file reference to the matter. Your instructed date will automatically be the same date as your computer date. So if you've received this instruction at a different time prior to your capturing, you can simply adjust it here on the little calendar. Right, so all I need to do now is insert the description of the matter. So let's call it sectional title register, and the name of my scheme is going to be Green Gardens. Now everything else is filled in for you. Just fix that. So all you really have to do now is click on the OK button, and the program will then ask you please to add a developer. Generally speaking, your client and your developer are the same party, but if they're different, we say yes. We'll go into the address book, and you can see that the program has filtered by the role of developer. In this instance, my client is the developer, so I simply highlight him, click on the select button, and the program has now added my new matter to the address book, and you can now continue with the completion of the various screens.